So if you have one of our garland kits that has one of these little spider blobby guys, I'm just gonna show you quick how to do this or how to put these together and add them on if you're using a garland strip, because obviously you won't be tying them in. Well, not conventionally, not in the way that we're doing in this video. So if you have a petite bill that only has a garland strip and there are no glue dots, you're actually gonna just take a piece of the ribbon that was included, and I'm just gonna show you with this twister balloon. You're just gonna wrap it in and around, tie a knot, and make a tail, like so. Situate it, and then take the other end of the ribbon and you'll just go ahead and tie that around the garland strip. You can also wrap it around the garland and tie it back up on itself, so it's kind of like this, if that makes sense. And then you can kind of situate it in. If you have a garland that did come with glue dots, you're just gonna take a couple glue dots on here and stick these on just like you do the 5-inch balloons. But before you do anything, I'm just gonna show you quick how to assemble it. Super easy. So you'll want to take and tie your balloons in pairs, so plain black one with your eyeball. You can pre-tie them and then tie them together, or you honestly can just tie them in one step. Again, when you're tying your 5-inch balloons, you want them to be about this big. You want them to be nice and round. And you can do a little bigger on this one. It's almost like it makes a little body. These, since they're sitting up and away from the garland, they can be slightly bigger. You don't want them to take on the alien oblong shape, so don't go that far. Stop when they're round. So you're gonna take your 2 pairs, you're just gonna crisscross them and then wrap them around each other like so. So basically you're gonna have that look, like that.